How to store goods on mobile racking in large-scale logistics warehouse. The area is cargo buffer zone, where forklifts retrieve goods waiting to be stored. The net height of the mobile racking is 11 meters with 7 layers. The warehouse uses reach forklifts to transport goods. The height of the forklift access bridge is 7 meters. The width of the central main logistics aisle is 4 meters, which can accommodate to forklifts in parallel and meeting each other. The warehouse is divided into 6 areas, each with 11 mobile columns. When the forklift reaches the destination area, the corresponding aisle can be opened through the remote control to enter the operation. All mobile columns share a 4-meter aisle for easy storage and turnover compared to regular racks. Mobile racking system has the advantage of ultra-high density storage, greatly reducing all space and easily handling complex types of goods. A single warehouse covers an area of 7,800 square meters and has a storage capacity of over 20,000 pallets, with an increase rate of twice that of the original warehouse. The 3 warehouses adopt the same layout, with a total storage capacity of over 60,000 pallets, which can fully meet the customer's demand for storage quantity.